The Chancellor delivered his autumn statement not long ago, and here are some of my thoughts on what was decided. So the main revenue raising measure on the personal tax side was actually a non-measure. The Chancellor decided to extend the freeze on the existing thresholds that apply across pretty much all of taxes. And the reason why that raises money is that as people's incomes rise as a result of inflation, their nominal income goes up, and that might push them into a higher tax band, even though they haven't actually felt any richer as a result of that. So the Chancellor introduced a measure to reduce the threshold at which the top rate of income tax applies. That was set at £150,000. It's now been reduced so that the top rate of 45p kicks in from £125,000. But that's the same amount whether you're currently receiving £150,000 or £1 million in income. So in that respect, it's actually more like a poll tax on the rich. Everyone pays the same amount extra under that policy. So the government decided to give latitude to individual councils to raise the amount of council tax by up to 5%. But that's a kind of option, not a mandate. So individual councils can choose whether to do this. And crucially, what the government didn't do was give any more powers on councils to affect the distribution of that charge. So the same regressive rate structure that we've had with council tax since it was introduced is untouched by this reform. Bigger picture, this event was about tinkering with existing thresholds rather than doing major structural reforms to the tax system. In particular, some people were hoping for more serious changes to the ways that we tax wealth, or other developments that would radically change how our tax system works. We didn't get any of that. What we got was effectively tweaks to our existing system, but keeping the basic structure intact.